subdivision relation are in the set A of human beings in a town at a particular time given by first condition A are equal to relation R equal to set x comma y such that x and y work at the same place. Okay, here it is works at the same place. Here it is easier. See, this is x person works here, and y is the person works in the place here. Both of them work in the same company. Okay, therefore condition R equal to set x comma y such that x and y work at same place. Okay, first you have to check all the three conditions. First, reflexive का मतलब for every element of A belongs to capital A. Here x comma x belongs to R. Okay, x and x are works in the same company. Okay, here therefore it is a reflexive relation. Okay, next x comma y for symmetric relation. X comma y belongs to R, y comma x belongs to R. Therefore the places are interchanged. Okay, the places are interchanged, but they are work in the same place. Therefore here it is symmetric relation. Okay, last x comma y for transitive. X comma y belongs to R, y comma z also belongs to R. See here, another one person z who works in the same place. Therefore here it is A, here B, here it is B and C. A, B and B, C are there. Therefore you have to check whether A, B, A, C are there. Here x comma z belongs to R because x and z are also working in the same place. Okay, therefore it is transitive relation. Okay, finally you have to write here it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Here it is A, condition A. Next we are going to see about the condition B. R equal to set x comma y such that x and y lives in the same locality. The locality in the same area. See here. R equal to set x comma y such that x and y lives in the same locality. Here it is similar to previous question. Okay, here works in the same place. Now here it is lives in the same locality. Let us take example. Okay, x is a person lives in the same locality, y also lives in the same locality. Therefore you have to check all three conditions. First one, reflexive. Reflexive का मतलब for every element of A is belongs to capital A, like identity x comma here x belongs to R. Therefore it is reflexive relation. ठीक है. Next, x comma y belongs to R, y comma x also belongs to R. See here, their places only interchanged, but they live in the same locality. Therefore here it is symmetric relation. Last, transitive z. You have to compare now. Z here x and y are lives in same locality, and y and z are lives in same locality. Therefore x and z also lives in same locality. Therefore see here, x comma y belongs to R, y comma z belongs to R. Therefore x comma z belongs to R. Okay, you have to write x and y live in the same locality, y and z also live in the same locality. Therefore x and z live in the same locality. Okay, therefore it is transitive relation. Finally you have to write here, it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Okay, completed. Now third, C, R relation R equal to set x comma y such that x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. Okay, right. C, relation R equal to x comma y such that x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. का मतलब here for example taking x person is 150 centimeters. ठीक है, y should be smaller because x is exactly 7 centimeter taller than y. If you subtract 7 centimeter from this 143 you will get. Therefore y 143 centimeter height. Therefore you have to check all three conditions. First, reflexive condition. Identity you have to check x comma x. Okay, for every element of a belongs to capital A. Here x comma x belongs to R. Okay, if x is there, then x cannot be exactly 7 centimeter taller than x. Therefore here it is not belongs to R. Okay, write a statement here. X cannot be taller of himself. Okay, x cannot be taller 7 centimeter of x. Okay, next x comma y belongs to R. For symmetric relation we are going to check x comma y belongs to R, but y comma x not belongs to R because y is exactly 7 centimeter smaller than x. Okay, therefore y comma x not belongs to R. Therefore here you have to write not reflexive. Here not symmetric relation. Last, x comma y belongs to R, y comma z belongs to R. Take another one person as z. Here 143 centimeter, then exactly 7 centimeter you have to subtract here. Therefore 136 centimeter. Okay, y is exactly 7 centimeter taller than z. Okay, therefore here it is a comma b, here b comma c. Therefore x comma z not belongs to R because x is exactly 14 centimeter. Okay, write that statement because x is exactly 14 centimeter taller than z. I'm correct now. Here 150 centimeter, here 136. Okay, totally here 7, here 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 centimeter taller than z. Therefore here it is not transitive relation. ठीक है. Finally, you have to write neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. ठीक है. Next, D. Here, relation R equal to set x comma y such that x is wife of y. Therefore, write here condition R equal to set x comma y such that x is wife of y. ठीक है. First, you have to check all three conditions: reflexive, symmetric, transitive. First, for reflexive, it should be for every element of A belongs to capital A. Here, you have to check the identity x comma x not belongs to R, because x cannot be wife for herself. ठीक है. Here, x female, y male. ठीक है. Next condition, symmetric, x comma y belongs to R. X is wife of y. Okay, but y comma x not belongs to R, because y is male. You have to write y cannot be wife of x. Okay, therefore here it is not reflexive. Here, not symmetric. ठीक है. Third condition is transitive. For transitive, x comma y belongs to R. Here, x is wife of y, but y cannot be wife of z, because y is male. Okay, male cannot be become female. Therefore, here there is no comparison for B, C. Here A, B. There is no comparison for B, C. Okay, therefore here it is transitive relation. Transitive relation. For D, you have to write the final answer. Neither reflexive nor symmetric, but transitive. Okay. Next, E. Here R relation equal to set x comma y such that x is father of y. Okay. R equal to set x comma y such that x is father of y. Okay. You have to check all the three conditions. First, reflexive. Reflexive का मतलब for every a belongs to capital A. Therefore, here identity you have to satisfy. X comma x not belongs to R, because here x cannot be father of himself. Okay. Therefore, here it is not reflexive relation. ठीक है. दूसरा x comma y for symmetry belongs to R, but y comma x not belongs to R, because y is son of x. Here in the statement x is father of y. Okay. Therefore, here it is not belongs to R. Therefore, not symmetric relation R. Okay. Next, third condition, transitive. For checking it transitive, see here. X is one person, Y is another person, and Z for comparing third term. X is father of Y, Y is father of Z. Therefore, you have to write x comma y belongs to R, y comma z belongs to R. Therefore, here it is A, B. Here it is B, here C. Therefore, A, B, B, C. Okay. You have to take AC, x comma z not belongs to R, because x is grandfather. Okay. X is grandpa of Z. Therefore, here it is not transitive. Okay. You have to write here final neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Okay. I hope you all understand. If you have any doubt, please comment me in the comment section. Okay. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.